Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Tecno Spark 20 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, then another speaker on top of the screen, and there's also a speaker right here. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from all of the speakers, that means this device does have the stereo speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming from all of the speakers, and I can confirm that this device does have them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.